to do a spelling activity. Y'all ready for this?
No.
Woo! Alright, so if you have a pen and a paper, if not, you could just follow along. So we're going to do something that I learned when I was 18, and I still even do it today with my own self to become better at words that I might not ever pronounce correctly or even spell. I always tell people this, particularly teachers, and there's some teachers who have a lot more knowledge than I do, so I don't try to come off as doing everything. For me, if you can spell a word, it guarantees you can do what? Read it. But reading it doesn't guarantee you can do what? Spell it. So I tell teachers all the time that you have to work with spelling with kids to get them to able to read. And sometimes, no, read first. No, spell first, which leads to reading. All right, so the word we're going to spell by sounds today is WYSIWYG. WYSIWYG. Yes. All right, so that's going to go my turn and your turn, okay? The first sound you hear in WYSIWYG is W. Your turn. What is the first sound you hear in the word WYSIWYG?
W.
Good. The fourth most common way to spell a sound W with the letters W and Y. Your turn. What is the fourth most common way to spell the sound W? Yes. Write the letters W-Y and say the assigned sound out loud. W. Good job. We all get A's for today. All right. The mark we use to identify that sound is the W-I with the short mark. Write the letters W-I with the short mark and say the sound W. Put in slash marks and say the sound out loud twice. W, W. Underline it and say W. Good job. What is the next sound you hear? Wait. The next sound you hear in the word WYSIWYG is Z. Your turn. What is the next sound you hear in the word WYSIWYG? Good job. The second most common way to spell the sound Z with the letter S. Second. Write the letter S and say the sound Z. The mark we use to identify that sound is the letter Z. Write the letter Z above and say the sound Z. Put in slash marks twice, say Z, Z. Underline it and say Z. The next sound you hear in the word WYSIWYG is E. Your turn. What is the next sound you hear in the word WYSIWYG? E. Good. The 10th most common way to spell the sound E with the letter I. Write the letter I and say the assigned sound out loud. E. The mark we use to identify that sound is E with the long mark. Write it above the letter I and say the sound out loud. E. So put a long mark above the letter E. We're going to say it twice. E, E. Good. What is the last sound you hear in the word WYSIWYG? I'm sorry, let me slow myself down. The next sound you hear in the word WYSIWYG is W. So you know it's the W, Y, same. And the last sound you hear is, write the letter G, say the sound, I, good. All right, so we're going to start at the beginning of the word, put in caret marks, and say this sign sound out loud. W, Z, E, W, G. Now we're going to put in caret marks. W, Z, E, W, G. Now we're going to put on lines of demarcation. How many syllables is that? 3. Now we're going to say it slowly by syllable. W, Z, W. Now spell, say it fast. Anybody have this spelling correctly the first time they spelled it? It's okay. I'm not a good speller, that's why I do this. So these are the type of instruction that students with dyslexia need. They need to see this. They need to see grapheme, phony representation. They need to see the letters and the sounds that letters make.
So they just have to memorize those little symbols, like.
Well, I mean, there's instruction that you go through, and the students, they just. I mean, you're not gonna remember the 10 most common way. No, but like the first and second, the most common ways, you'll get those, and it just becomes automatic repetition. Boom, 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 boom. So, and one thing that students really enjoy that I like this one too. And so, we're gonna do it from right. We just did from left to right. Now we're gonna do it from right to left. So, what's the last sound of this last syllable? Wig. Now say the middle and the last. Z, wig. Now say it all together. So you could do it left to right, and you do it right to left. So wig, Z-wig, Wizzy-wig. So you teach your students to take the word apart and put it together too. Kids, they love this type of stuff. Like, you have to have fun with the instruction that you do. You have a question? Oh, it looked like you were getting excited there. So yes, so this is the type of instruction that we have. So if I ask you now to cover up your paper, if you have a paper, now write it, or you can say it to your neighbor, spell it out loud. That's one of the things I have students do now, is you have to spell it by memory now, without looking.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.